Stand a bit. Yan. Oh. Bye-bye. Oh.
Yes, pero ginawa mo na yung gawin.
Go. Let's take a picture here later.
This one to be served later?
Yes. Okay. Nice. This is my first time dining in Hard Rock. Thank you. Such a cool cup. Salam everyone. Today is a very special day, 11th anniversary. Last night, I was making a video of Apa to surprise him. Nung sinabi ko sa kanya na may video ako, hindi pa niya nakikita. Umiyak na ako. Ano ba yan? Masyadong yung luha ko. Parang pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay, very emotional. Alhamdulillah for the 11 years.
Thank you. But careful, maybe it's hot. With honey glaze.
Oh, I love this. Oh.
I like the sauce on this lettuce.
Oh, good.
Yeah, the chicken.
Yeah.
The skewers. Bismillah. So good, okay?
Honey glaze ata.
Honey glazed chicken. Did I miss something? What's this one?
Chicken wings.
Buffalo wings. Buffalo wings. Oh, so good. I like the sauce.
Yeah, buffalo.
Wow. Up. Wow.
Thank
Give me
you.
your hand, I'll tie it.
Wow. What's that? Balloon.
Bubble. Balloon.
It's a balloon. Wow.
Dami nga, no?
And then we'll be sending the
Ganda naman ng CR nila.
Show it to Tito Nano. Tito Nano. Like,
Tito Nano, do you want some? Ice cream.
Yes. Wow. It's good.
Oh, you want some?
Oh, louder. Yes. May mga bago na sila, no?
yeah, that one is good too. Backside in, yeah, Pepe.
This one is better. You broke my tripod. Oh no.
What did you do?
Oh no.
What did you do?
Oh no. Oo ka dyan. Captain Messi.
Yeah, where are you? Let's go.
Here you go. You want it? What is that? Oh, water. It's water? What's that? Whoa, it's amazing.
Oh,
Show. Whoa. No, it's okay. We need to adjust that. Yes.
go on.
Is it true? What did you do? You didn't call us. Did you join the game? Mashallah. Wow. Easy. Kuya just won. How much?
300 dirhams.
Oh, amazing. Right.
Emoji 4 and S.
Good, ah?
Ayun,
Give your money. Grabe. Kuya just won 300 dirhams. Mana sa harapan. It's so nice. Congrats. Yeah, let's go. Oh, good thing you answered the question.
Yeah. Correct.
Yeah. Easy peasy?
Lemon
Easy
squeeze.
Okay, so para maganda yung view natin, no? Here we are at IKEA and Hubby is nasa coffee shop siya kasi meron pa siyang bar. Gusto ko talagang, hindi ko alam, parang nakaka-relax talaga when you're here at IKEA. Seeing all these furnitures na nakaka-inspire. Pero ganito pala yung feeling ng mga mothers natin pag pupunta sila dito. Home decors, I feel them. Ganda talaga. Nakaka-relax siya and also nakakatanggal ng stress. This day kasi is our anniversary. Lumabas kami just to dine, kain sa labas. And so far, yun lang naman yung for today's event, day in my life. And also, nanalo din si Kuya ng 300 dirhams kanina sa Brands for Less. Hindi namin napansin kasi sabi niya manonood lang daw siya. So habang nag-ikot-ikot kami, sumali pala siya doon sa game na yun. Takbo siya, hinahanap niya kami. Nanalo siya, pinakita niya, Ma, I won 300 dirhams. Wow! Mashallah. Ngayon, nakaka-proud talaga si Takolay. Happy for him. Meron siyang pera for this year. Wow, sana all. So, kanina pa pala ako nagsasalita. Wala pala akong mic. Guys, so, ganda. Gandang outdoor. It's so nice. Right? Oh, I like the bed though. Hmm?
Remember him from your past vlog?
Yeah. Mr. Octopi. Yeah. Sorry guys. Papa's not here with us though. We were trying to surprise him.
Like cookies and cream.
Yeah.
That's you and your pops.
Napkiling yun ang train.
Ah, okay. Wow. There.
Wait.
Absolutely. Wow.
Your
Yeah.
center.
Grabe. Guys, hindi kami magkasya.
Wait, guys.
Sabot-sabot.
Okay.
Ang init.
Wait.
Okay, let's look.
Post your picture. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Someone is pressing.
Don't press it. Matanya, what?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait.
Aduh.
Okay.
Okay. Ah, what? Black and white. Sepia color.
Color na
Yeah,
lang.
color na lang.
Okay. No.
No.
Hard rock.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's nice.
Okay.
Okay, go a bit up, Kuya.
Oh,
3, 2, 1.
No, look at
okay. One more.
Didn't prepare.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
It's printing.
Now it's printing.
Don't forget to share with your friends. Hi, we're done. Struggle is real.
We can't fit here. Wow.